Welcome to our channel. You need to hear this if you're a professional navigating the modern workforce. By 2025, automation will displace 85 million jobs globally. AI is transforming industries and reshaping the employment landscape. This video explores AI's impact on jobs, challenges, and opportunities. Engaging in this discussion is crucial for preparing for future changes. One of the most pressing concerns surrounding AI is its potential to displace workers from their jobs. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, they are capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This is particularly true for routine and repetitive jobs in sectors such as manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. The fear of job displacement is understandable, as workers in these industries face the possibility of being replaced by machines. Another challenge posed by AI is the widening skills gap. As AI takes over routine tasks, there is a growing demand for workers with specialized skills in areas such as data science, software engineering, and AI development. This skills gap presents a significant challenge for both workers and businesses. Workers need access to affordable and effective training programs to acquire the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Businesses, on the other hand, need to invest in upskilling their existing workforce and attracting top talent in the AI field. The impact of AI is being felt across a wide range of industries, transforming job roles and creating new opportunities. In healthcare, AI is being used to improve diagnostics, develop personalized treatments, and automate administrative tasks. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, with greater accuracy than humans, assisting doctors in making faster and more informed diagnoses. In finance, AI is being deployed to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to identify patterns and anomalies that humans might miss, helping financial institutions make better decisions. In manufacturing, AI is revolutionizing production processes, making them more efficient, flexible, and cost-effective. Robots and other AI-powered systems are being used to automate tasks such as assembly, welding, and quality control. This allows manufacturers to produce goods faster, with higher quality, and at a lower cost. The use of AI in manufacturing is also creating new jobs in areas such as robotics, engineering, data analysis, and AI system maintenance. While the challenges posed by AI are undeniable, it is important to remember that technological advancements have always disrupted the job market. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the displacement of many agricultural workers, but also created new opportunities in factories and other industries. Similarly, the rise of computers and the internet automated many white-collar jobs, but also created countless new jobs in fields such as software development, web design, and digital marketing. The key to navigating these technological transitions is to adapt and embrace the opportunities they present. The future of work in the age of AI is not about humans versus machines, but rather about humans and machines working together. AI has the potential to augment human capabilities, allowing us to focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. By embracing lifelong learning and developing the skills needed for the jobs of the future, we can harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous and equitable society. The future of work is in our hands. Let us embrace the opportunities and shape a future where AI empowers us all.